I was a stay-at-home mom with zero income for 5 years. I thought my only value was cooking and cleaning. Then I discovered 5 skills that paid me $2,000 in my first month, without a degree, without investment, and in just 2 hours a day. Here's exactly what I did. Listen up, chat. If you are currently trapped in the toddler trenches surviving off leftover chicken nuggets and lukewarm coffee, while a certain singing cartoon baby plays on a 10-hour loop in the background, stop scrolling right now. You are literally bleeding aura. We are about to lock in. This is an absolute code-red intervention for the work-from-home moms who want to escape the matrix and reclaim their absolute freedom in exactly 7 days. I am about to drop the ultimate sauce. I am giving you 5 skills that actually pay real-life human money so you can stop being a beta participant in your own life and enter your Sigma Mom era. Let us be brutally honest for a second. The traditional mommy lifestyle is not very demure. It is not very mindful. It is mostly chaotic screaming and trying to figure out what mystery sticky substance is permanently bonded to the living room couch. You want to stay home with your kids, which is a huge W and massive respect to you. But you also want to secure the bag. You want your own money. You want that financial riz so you don't have to ask permission to buy an overpriced iced matcha latte or a Target haul. You want to build a digital empire from your kitchen table while the baby is taking a nap. You have 7 days to pivot. 7 days to rewrite your entire skill tree. Number 1, we are starting with copywriting. This is basically text riz. You know how you convince your toddler to eat a vegetable by making up an elaborate psychological lie about it being dinosaur power food? That is exactly what copywriting is. You are using words to persuade people to take action. Every single website, every email newsletter, and every social media post on the internet needs words. E-commerce businesses are literally starving for people who can string a sentence together without sounding like an absolute NPC. You do not need a fancy college degree. You do not need to be a grammar nerd. You just need to know how to tap into human psychology and make people click a buy button. You write emails for brands. You write product descriptions for weird dropshipping gadgets. You charge a monthly retainer. Boom, passive income vibes. Except it is active, but you do it in your sweatpants. If you can type aggressively long paragraphs in a Facebook mom group to debate sleep training, you can absolutely do copywriting. It is the exact same energy, just monetized. But hold up, wait a minute, time out. We need to address the massive elephant in the room right now. I see you. You are getting ready to start your copywriting empire. You open your laptop, and instantly your spine turns into a literal question mark. You are hunched over the kitchen island, looking like a feral goblin guarding its treasure. You have the posture of a cooked shrimp. This is destroying your aura, and more importantly, it is destroying your back. Your cortisol is spiking because every time you turn your neck, it sounds like a bowl of Rice Krispies. You cannot enter your millionaire CEO mom era if your spine is shaped like a boomerang. You are letting the laptop screen mog you. You need to mew for your back. You need a physical intervention before you permanently become the Hunchback of Notre Dame and pay the ultimate phantom tax on your skeletal system. Go to the description of this video right now and click the link for the ergonomic posture corrector harness. It is basically a cheat code for your anatomy. You strap this bad boy on, and it violently but lovingly forces your shoulders back into an alpha position. You will instantly look like you own a yacht. When you wear the posture corrector, you are not just aligning your spine, you are aligning your chakras with extreme wealth. No more upper back pain while you secure the bag. You cannot be a boss if your lumbar support is completely cooked. Buy the posture corrector, fix your shrimp posture, and thank me later. The link is right there in the description. Do not ignore this, or your spine will literally take an L. Moving on to skill number 2. The virtual assistant, the absolute backbone of the modern digital economy. Do you know how many unorganized tech bros are out there trying to run businesses while their inbox looks like a digital landfill? Millions of them. They have zero organizational riz. They do not know how to schedule a calendar invite. They do not know how to reply to customer service emails without sounding completely unhinged. That is where you come in. As a mom, your baseline level of crisis management is already at max level. If you can coordinate 3 different doctor appointments, a soccer practice, and figure out what to cook for dinner, all while carrying a screaming infant. Managing a CEO calendar is literally baby mode. It is a walk in the park. You become their digital gatekeeper. You answer emails, book flights, organize spreadsheets, and basically act like their brain. You can charge $25 to $50 an hour just to be the only functioning adult in the room. And the best part is, you can do it asynchronously. Baby is napping, answer 5 emails. Toddler is distracted by an empty cardboard box, update a spreadsheet. It is ultimate time freedom. Skill number 3, social media management. Let us get incredibly real for a second. You are already doom scrolling on TikTok and Instagram for 4 hours a day. Your screen time report is absolutely cooked. You are brain rotting for zero profit. Why are you doing this for free? Why are you giving the algorithm your precious attention without extracting capital? It is time to flip the script. Local businesses, online coaches, and random brands have absolutely zero idea how to post on the internet. They post pixelated photos from 2012 and wonder why they have zero engagement. They have negative aura online. You step in and take over. You tell them what's trending. You tell them what audio to use. You schedule their posts. You reply to comments. You are basically weaponizing your own brain rot for profit. You go to a local coffee shop or a plumber or a boutique and you say, "Hey, your Instagram is looking incredibly mid right now. Pay me $1,000 a month and I will make you relevant." Get 3 clients and that is $3,000 a month just for posting reels and using the right hashtags. You already know how the internet works. Stop consuming and start producing. Skill number 4 is UGC, user-generated content. This is the ultimate hack for the extroverted moms who do not mind talking to a camera. Brands do not want polished, highly edited commercials anymore. That is boomer energy. They want real people sitting in their real messy houses talking about why a product is actually good. They want absolute authenticity. They want the messy bun. They want the genuine reaction. You literally just film yourself on your phone reviewing a skincare product or a vacuum cleaner or a loud plastic baby toy. You talk about how it solved a massive problem in your chaotic life. You send the raw video file to the brand. They pay you hundreds of dollars for that one single video. You do not even have to post it on your own social media. You do not need a following. You do not need to be an influencer. You are just creating the raw material for their paid ads. It's called Yaponomics. You yap into the lens, you provide value, you get paid. You can bang out 3 UGC videos while the kids are eating lunch. You tap your fingernails on the product box, do a little ASMR, explain the benefits, and invoice them. It is creative, it is fast, and the profit margins are absolutely insane. Skill number 5, graphic design, but specifically using Canva. We are not talking about spending 4 years at an overpriced art school to learn complicated software. Nobody has time for that. We are talking about Canva. It is the greatest cheat code in internet history. It is basically aesthetic maxing for dummies. There is a massive, unending demand for Pinterest pins, YouTube thumbnails, ebook covers, and digital planners. Business owners do not want to spend hours dragging and dropping shapes. You do. You can create a gig offering to design 30 Instagram templates for a real estate agent. You use Canva. You pick a nice beige aesthetic color palette. You add some trendy minimalist fonts, and suddenly you are a highly paid graphic designer. It is basically digital scrapbooking, but you get paid cold hard cash. You can even create digital products once and sell them infinitely. Planners for other moms, budgeting templates, meal prep charts. You design it once, list it online, and collect passive income while you sleep. The barrier to entry is literally on the floor. So how do you actually reclaim your freedom in 7 days? Listen closely because this is the blueprint. You pick one skill, just one. Do not try to learn all 5 at the same time, or your brain will short-circuit and you will end up crying in the pantry. Pick the one that matches your exact vibe. Are you a yapper? Do UGC. Are you hyper-organized and love bossing people around? Be a virtual assistant. Do you like pretty colors and aesthetic feeds? Canva is your best friend. Spend the next 2 days binge watching free tutorials. Consume every piece of knowledge like your life depends on it. Spend day 3 building a tiny portfolio. Make fake examples if you have to. Fake it until you absolutely make it. Day 4 and 5, you start pitching. You slide into DMs. You send cold emails. You post your services on freelance platforms. You embrace the absolute grind. Day 6, you follow up with everyone who ignored you, because persistence is a massive Sigma trait. And by day 7, you land your first client. It is that simple. It is not easy, but it is simple. You have to stop making excuses. The traditional corporate 9 to 5 is a scam anyway. Commuting in traffic is a scam. Paying $1,000 a week for daycare so you can go to a job you hate is the biggest matrix trap of all time. You have the power in your hands right now to completely flip your reality. The internet is a giant ATM, and these 5 skills are the PIN codes. But seriously, let me remind you one last time. None of this matters if your physical vessel is decaying from terrible desk habits. Do not try to build an empire looking like a gargoyle perched on a kitchen stool. Get the ergonomic posture corrector harness. The link is waiting for you in the description. Strap it on, lock in your posture, lock in your millionaire mindset, and go secure the bag. The kids are watching. It is time to show them what an absolute boss looks like. Stop being a spectator. Now get off this video and go start your first tutorial. We are done here. Go. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.